Garden update. I want to show the deck. Been replacing boards, sanding, staining, and the rain set in. But this deck coat, this is called Arbor Coat. It's the best. Still got a coat on the rails. Yeah. But the deck turned out nice. That's 2 coats. And it was pretty rough. You can see in the last videos the cracks that it filled in. Even these steps. Almost like new boards. Alright. The yuccas are going to be blooming real soon. Ready. These are what yuccas. Flowers. They'll be blooming pretty soon, but this one has, wow, incredible. It's a big one. And underneath the little cherry. All these big rocks around like this are from my papa's old barn. From the old farm. I just got the grass cut. You see how much stuff's grown in 2.5 weeks. These big beefs have not grown a lot. Those in the back have. The squash, of course, took off. As soon as I put it in the ground, we had 3 days of rain. These big beefs they're grown. They're twice the size they were. Eggplants, looking good. Okra. Row okra, then I put okra in between the eggplant and the whatever that is. There's the cabbages. They've grown a lot. Cauliflower. There's a zucchini I had extra, and then okra. Iris is done bloomed. There's all those big beefs. Looking pretty good, I guess. But the German queens have really grown. Like an emerald green color. Took off, and the one I stepped on, growing well. Probably about 16 inches. These are probably 30. And there's that other zucchini. Some cucumbers I gotta build something quick for one of these days. And a bunch of broccoli. This soil's where the wood pile used to be, so it should be good soil. There you go. What are you doing? Hi, buddy. Hi, May May. Hey, my May May. Look at the broccoli. Good doggy. That tree was saved. That cedar, didn't want to get rid of it. This ramp we put in, used to be railroad ties all around all this. Lance and I just this last fall put in landscape timbers and 6x6s, Georgia Bedford stone beds. All this has been redone and stained. Then we stained all the fence too. This ramp was put in for multiple uses. There's peppers up here. Some more cukes. More peppers. aromas. More peppers, yellow bell, red bell, herbage.